We want Dad to build us a stand.
Yeah.
And what's the stand for?
Making money and selling bracelets. Maybe lemonade.
Yeah.
We have a plan from the girls.
I mean, there's a lot of things there.
They know what they like. But I'm still designing the piece.
And then I'll edit it so that it can actually be built.
Hi. Hi.
You guys want Daddy to build you a cart?
Yeah, so that we can like sell bracelets we make.
I think it would be cool if we actually got to have one.
We need a countertop, of course, because like how are you not going to run a stand without a countertop?
We could have like a spot that like one side's the lemonade and then one side's the jewelry.
So we should probably have like a little shelf like in our stand, kind of. So you could put other bracelets there in case you run out of the bracelets on the top.
I think you should have a little like cover, something, I don't know, it could be wood, but for when it's raining.
Protection for our supplies, but also it can be used for the style.
Yeah.
Because style is also important.
This is...
Oh, look at your 3D.
Thank you.
Look at you go.
And then it will be like a little bit over the counter.
This is where it goes down.
No, I was thinking this is just solid on the front and sides.
Mm-hmm.
Some kind of wheels.
What happens if I took the lawnmower?
And like no, I don't know what you're gonna say, but it's a no.
And then we had power to this bad boy.
No. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, that's doable. I will put this on the computer and then get it all
You don't think this
scaled.
is good enough?
Well, okay, what dimensions do I make all this?
It's like this time plus 2 more squares on this side.
No. So I grabbed some different materials that I had stored and kept from various projects, and I want to turn all of this into a little stand so that the kids can sell things along the road. I have a bunch of the boards cut. This is all going to be for the base, so I'm going to get that assembled so we can get it all clad together.
The plans for this lemonade stand will be available on our blog, so make sure you check the description below for a link to these plans.
The little stand is built and I'm really happy with how it's turning out. I did it so that the base and the roof are going to be, you can take them apart just for storage so that they have a bit smaller footprint. So next step is applying some paint. Not sure on the final color just of yet, but the first stage is I want to get primer on it anyways to get a good seal. To apply the paint, we'll be using our Wagner Flexio 3500. It comes with your eye spray nozzle and the detailed nozzle. I really like this sprayer. It's easy to clean, easy to use. You can get a nice smooth coat. You'll see us using it throughout our whole channel. Be sure to check out some of those other videos. Let's get to spraying and see what this thing looks like with some paint. You have this all primed. The next step is just to add some top coat paint to it. So I have some exterior white paint that I have left over from when we painted our carport. So I got that loaded in our sprayer and we will get this thing all painted white. I'm thinking I might do the countertop and the roof black. I have some exterior black trim paint that I'll use for those. That way this thing, if it does get left out in the rain, should be okay. Yeah, okay, let's get the spraying.
Keep your eyes, are your eyes closed?
Yeah.
Close, 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 close. 3, 2, 1, look!
Oh my God! This is so cool!
Lemonade stand!
Oh, look! There's storage! Oh, and you can be like, hi, what would you like?
Remember helping me make that logo?
Oh yeah, I do!
Up here,
Like,
look over here. You
Yeah?
can come over here when you're selling something different from lemonade. I can take this one off.
and then you can put this. That's so awesome.
Another successful project for our kids in the books. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that and seeing their reaction. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Thank you to Wagner for making this happen and sponsoring this project. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching.